Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OneDrive for sharing work samples on LinkedIn. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.onedrive.com and press enter. Once the OneDrive page loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be prompted to enter your Microsoft account email address. Type in your email address and click Next. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you want your device to remember your login details, check the box labeled Keep Me Signed In. After entering your password, click on Once you are logged in, you will see your OneDrive dashboard. To upload work samples, click on the Upload button. Select either files or folder based on what you need to share. Browse through your computer to find the work sample you want to upload. Select the file or folder and click on Open. Wait a moment for the upload to complete. Once uploaded, find the file in your OneDrive dashboard. Right-click on the file to open the context menu. From the menu, select Share. A sharing window will appear. You can enter the email addresses of those you want to share with. If you prefer to create a link, click on Copy Link instead. Adjust the sharing settings if you want to control who can view or edit the file. After making your selections, click Send or Copy to finalize the sharing process. Now, head over to LinkedIn in your browser. Log into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once you are on your profile page, find the section where you want to share your work sample. Click on the text box where you can create a post. You can paste the link to your OneDrive sample here. Add any relevant information or context about your work sample. Finally, click Post to share it with your LinkedIn network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.